All right, let's talk about the ins and outs of the school cafeteria. First of all, you mentioned something earlier and I want to call it out right now. When you had that great success with your menu item, the yakisoba noodles, and you said you had almost the entire school participating in the school lunches. That is participation is absolutely key to a food service operations ability to do some of the things that we're talking about today, the scratch cooking, the local sourcing, the menu innovation, et cetera. So talk a little bit about participation and what you want folks to know, that why it's so important to support your local school food service operation.
One of the things that really we've been trying to do is change the stereotype and stigma around school food. And we find that that can be a barrier to our students eating. And we want to make sure that our families know and our school staff know that school meals are for everyone. It's the only place where we have this socioeconomic factor right now, for our children in the school day, where we have to know about their families, economics and their wages. And it's such an interesting piece to our work. And while that's why we've been trying to really push and advocate for schools to be free for everyone, because then it continues to be seen as the free lunch program or the free meal program. And in actuality, we really want every student to feel comfortable eating with us, regardless of their family situation. And so the more that we have students eat with us, the more effective we actually are. And this is universally across, like, not just Portland. This is across the nation. The more students we feed, the more effective we can be, the more that we are able to gain efficiencies as a business, so that we're able to make better purchases. We can put more pennies or dollars towards the food items that we're looking for, that we want to serve, but might be just out of our reach. We might gain efficiency of scale. So the more that we feed, the better deals we can get, and the more we're able to reach those minimums for deliveries that our distributors have for us. And so there's just all these really great wins when we can feed more children. But most importantly, we want our students to all feel welcome and able to eat with us, that it is for everybody.